Okay, so my name is Sade and we're gonna download Windows Server 2012 for our project. My computer moves a bit slowly, so there would be some brief delays, but it should be running soon. Setup is now starting. Alright, should be about ready. Okay, so uh, the architecture we have for all of them is x64, so that's for the 64-bit systems. And the option we're going to use would be the one with the graphic user interface. So we picked the last one, the data center evaluation, and gonna click next. Of course, we'll just go through those license terms. No one ever reads those, so we accept. And then we're just gonna install it. So custom. I don't really partition anything, so we're just gonna hit next there. And we are going through the long installing process. I'm gonna skip through most of it, so we won't have to wait. That's going to take quite some time. And as soon as it's finished, we will uh, proceed with the other parts. Let's just wait to see if it's making any progress. Alright, good. So it just started. Alright, so we'll be back. Alright, so we're back. Installation has been completed. Computer, or well, the virtual machine, we started a few times. So now it's ready and we have the Windows 8 loading screen. Well, it's the same for the 2012 server. And we're just gonna wait for it to start up. We have our loading bar there. So let's just see. It shouldn't take very long. Alright. Great, so now we're creating our account. We have to choose a good password. So I'm going to try one now. Let's see if this is acceptable. Nope, it's not. So it needs to be a bit more complex with special characters. So I'll just try another one. This one should work. And let's finish this up. Alright, so our settings are being finalized and pretty soon we should have our login screen where we just enter that password we just set up and then we'll be in the server machine. Okay, so it's just taking a little bit with the finalization. Gonna get that done very soon. But this is all part of the installing process. And it looks like it's done. Great, so now we have the loading screen, well, the login screen. It says press Ctrl Alt Delete to sign in first, so we'll get that done. Okay, right. Good. So we're the administrator, as it says there. And we're going to enter the password. So let's do that now. Ugh. Alright, enter the wrong one. Let's try that again. Okay, great. And now we're getting in there. Alright, so it's just setting up doing the final steps. Right. Good. So we have our home screen, our desktop, Windows Server 2012. It's valid for 180 days. So it's legal, which is great. And we have the server manager now. The dashboard, it basically shows where our servers would be. It's empty for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to start adding setting up our server machine, which we would show in a different video, but basically we're just seeing the dashboard where it has all the options, file and services, etc. But right now we have nothing here, but this is basically where everything starts off. So in our following video, we'll show how we add DNS and all that good stuff. See you then.